Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. So let's see how we can install Claude Code for free and use it unlimited. So we will use Ollama. So first of all, come to this website like ollama.com. Then here you can see we can install it by terminal and also you can directly download it. You can also download it for macOS and Linux. So I'm going to do it on Windows. So we can copy this directly and go to PowerShell, run as administrator. Then you can just paste it here and enter. So it will start downloading. So I'm not going to do this way. So I already download this directly from here. Then you have to install it. I already downloaded it once and installed it. Okay, so after that, just create an account here. It will be necessary to log into the Ollama, create an account and log into the Ollama from the browser. Okay, so then let's open the Ollama. After install it, open the Ollama and you will see here the sign in option. Then click here to sign in. If you already signed in from the browser, then it will show you here like connect with your device. Then connect with your device and you are all good. Okay, then you can see here lots of models Ollama offering, so we can use any of them. You have to download these the models to use it locally, and there are some cloud models you can use. You can see here is Gemma 431 billion cloud. So we are going to use this one in this tutorial. We are going to use this one. So let's see, just click here. Let's see how it works. So you can directly chat from here, but we will but we will do it in VS Code also. We are not going to do it here. So after that, okay, I'm not going to wait. So after that, you have to go Claude Code, like a Claude Code with Ollama. Just search it like a Ollama with Claude Code or something. You will see this link and go to this link and you will find it here. We have to install the Claude Code. And for macOS or Linux, you can use this command in terminal, and for Windows, you need to use this one. Okay, I already downloaded it, but I want to show you how you can download it. So open the PowerShell once again and run it as administrator. Then just paste this command, then enter. It will be downloaded and like it can take like minutes, then it will be downloaded. Let's see. So you can see installation complete of Claude Code. Now we can try from VS Code. So I already opened a terminal and just write plot. You can see command not found, because here you can see after install we have to add location. You can see here native installation exists, but here bin is not in your path. So we have to copy this and add to our path. So where need to add, you can just search in environment variable. So here you can search and click environment variables. Then you can see here is a path, user variables. Then here is a path. So just edit it. Then edit a new path and paste that line. So this is your username and other things will be same like me. Okay, then just okay, okay, and okay. So now it will run. You will see, just move this on and open. Okay, let's run it again. Plot. Now you can see plot is running. But we are not going to, here is a plot. Sonnet 4.6 is running, but we are not going to use this. We will use that unlimited Ollama. Okay, wait for a second. Going to clear this also and make it big. And now let's go to Ollama. We'll use Gemma 4. Search here. Gemma 4, you can see. Here you can see we can use also codecs with Gemma and open code, also open Claude and Claude Code. So here is the model. So we are going to use this cloud model because you can see 31 billion. This is like you have to download it if you have like better PC, if you have more RAM and a graphics card, you can use this one. You can download this one, but I'm not going to do this. We can use just this cloud version. Okay, so for this, just copy this. Okay, just copy this command. So here we'll use model Gemma for, just click here to copy, and also you can write this. I'm just going to copy paste cloud and then enter. Sorry, there is a little bit mistake here. Okay, then enter. Now you can see Gemma 4 31 billion cloud. Okay, so this is you can use unlimited Claude code using this Gemma 31 billion cloud. Then at first it will ask for you like a dart UI or something like that. Just click enter, then you will be in this phase. Then you can just we can just hire. Let's see how it responds. Okay, here, hello, how can I help you today? Then we can create something as we want. It will create in this folder. I already opened it in Ollama, just a folder. So we can create a create a HTML file with hello what? Okay, just for testing, I'm doing it. So you can like develop your own thing here with this Claude, and it's unlimited. There is no restriction. Okay. So here asking for index.html. Do you want to? Okay. So I'm just okay. You can see here's the HTML already generated. So it will be little bit like slow than the real one, because paid one is paid one. So that's why, but you can work with that. For last few days I worked with this Claude code. It's pretty good, not bad. So you can use this when you need. Okay, it will be like you can see here is already, but it's not completed yet. You can see. I hope you understand how you can use this Claude code for free in your PC. So let's see you in the next video. Thank you.